What can pay you more, a job or a business? Hi everyone, my name is Arvind Upadhyay. I am here to distinguish between the a detailed orientation about the what is the growth point of view in a job and what are the securities which you have in job and what are the difference between a business. Now, basically everybody know that if you are working for a job, you are working the vision of your boss. If you are working for a business, you are working with a vision of your own vision. Okay, so this is the main difference between this to doing as a job and a business. Now one more directly taking, I am saying that one of the main difference that is now if you have a doing a job, there will be fixed time period. That what is the fixed time period? That fixed time period will be after 2 years, after 1 year, you are going to get promotion. Am I right? Because if you do hard work for any organization, they are going to promote you, but they are going to make your salary more. Even after doing a 1 year period, they make increase the everybody's salaries some point of 10%, 5%, as a financial condition of any environment, as a people or management of any organization that depend on that organization, that company. I'm not talking about it that detail, but why it's important to understand the difference between a job and difference between a business. Now there is a no limit for growth in case of business, because this is totally depend of your hard work, how much you hard working for that particular thing. And in case of job, that is the basically it's a depend of your boss, how he is and how the vision of their boss, and how he is going to deal everything about that. Now I was so surprised when I was saying that what is the most high paying job. I find that there is a lot of the high paying job, even in the consultant, even the peoples who work in the financial and asset management company such as JP Morgan, and many others such as asset management companies. So they paid more money compared to others organization, of course, because they deal with a huge amount of the money, and they are dealing with not a small amount of the money such as bankers does, such as small finance companies does, but they are dealing with a huge amount of the money. That's such as taking the client as a big organization and big enterprises, to managing their asset, managing their financial condition, managing their money. So of course they are going to pay more their employees. So you can choose that if you should have a high paying job or a job. The situation and the matters, what matter mostly when you are in job, there is a lot of the risk. When the people, so imagine that you are a MBA student, okay, and after getting MBA you are going to placement, you are going to get a placement, okay. There is a two type of the people. One, someone who is going to take a placement, the enterprise which is already existing someone. So there is a very less, even I will say less than 1% of the risk there. But if you are going to make your own enterprise, there is a lot of the risk. And the risk, according to Elon Musk, according to many people, that risk is the one of the thing that make the difference between the 100% to 1% people. And the 1% people should take risk, they are going to survive, they are going to make a more impact on the society, they are going to make more success, they are going to beat everybody. So why it's important to coming inside 1%? Now I can give a example of this. Imagine this is the pen, okay, and this is the part of the 95% people, and this is the part of the 5% people. What do you think about who is work more? This 95% people work day at night, every time they work. But if you remember and if you imagine, this 5% of the people work, they doesn't even work any time of the people, but they going to be know, everybody know them, and everybody understand the power and intelligence about that 5% of the people, and the 95% of the people, they destroy their ink, and they destroy their hard work, they destroy their time, they destroy their energy for making the vision of that 5% of the people. Now you should choose which category you want to see yourself. You want to see yourself in 5% of the people, or you want to see yourself as a 95% of the people. This is totally depend of you. If you want to know more about that, I have written a book called Improve, Learn and Grow, an investment in yourself. This book I have written inside about that, how you can make your skills more improvement. And if you want to be dreaming about becoming an entrepreneur, there is also a book called Why Entrepreneurship. Learn and write, note this word, why entrepreneurship. The detailed view why entrepreneurship important, why you should start as an enterprise, and why it is the more important comparing to other things, to owning your own enterprise. If you own your own enterprise, you should understand why entrepreneurship is important, and how you can become employer. Now the one thing as a Indian, I think about that, to giving the employment of any people, you are going to be feed the whole family. Even if you think about in a one family in India, mostly one people earn money, and that person make the feed for whole family. So if we have a giving the someone feed food to their table for eating, so this is the great job we are doing. So that's why be, if I should say that you, if I told you that you are going to respect two person, one is great businessman, other is a great lecturer, who is going to you respect more? That because he is giving the most of the opportunity. So giving the people for employment, giving the investment to growth, and any very other thing, in many other things they are giving. So you should focus on getting the you should understand which is best for you, the job is best for you, or any other thing best for you, or the business is best for you. Now it's totally depend on upon you. You should choose the which category you are going to fall. You are going to fall in 95% of the category, or you are going to fall in 5% of the. If we talk about the millionaires, billionaires, in many my books I talk, almost many time I talk about the how you should become, you should get becoming you can be a millionaire, you can be billionaire, and what is the thoughtful, what is the mindset they have, and what are the difference between them. So you can go and search about my books, and there is a detailed view about the things behind the going on these things. Everything is depend on our my own mindset, how we think that we are going to how we think that we do everything.